Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 26. Here the slope of the normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x at x is equal to 0. Option is given to you. You have to solve, then only you can find the option which is correct. Slope of the normal. If you want to find slope of the normal, first what you want to do, you have to differentiate the curve equation. When you differentiate the curve equation, it will give you the slope of the tangent, right? Using that, you can get a slope of the normal. Again, I recall the concept, right? What it is? Y is equal to solution. Y is equal to 2x square plus 3. You have to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. 3 sine x, right? dy by dx equal to 4x, right? What is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x. What is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x. Very good. You have to recall the formula, right? Daily you have to practice, then only you feel easy, right? Now, you have to dy by dx is given. Then they said x is equal to 2. That you have to substitute in the place of x. What is your dy by dx? Dy by dx at x is equal to 0, 4 into 0 plus 3 into cos 0. What is the value of cos 0? 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is your slope of the tangent. This is equal to slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, when you find only, it is easy to get a value of slope of the normal. Already I discussed, right? Slope of the tangent, right? What is slope of the normal? Yeah, anyone? Yeah, very good. The reciprocal of slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol. Slope of the normal is equal to reciprocal means what can you write? 1 by 3. Then negative opposite symbol. There it is positive, so it is negative. So option which is correct? Option D is correct. Right. Now we'll pass on to which question? Question number 27. Right. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square equal to 4x at the point. Here the question is not direct. Here it represents the line is, the slope of the line is parallel to the slope of the curve. It is not direct. Whenever the format it comes like this, you have to keep it in your mind. Slope of the line is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the line is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve. That means the line is parallel to the tangent to the curve. Right? That is the meaning. First solution, y square equal to 4x. What it represents? Yeah, very good. Parabola open rightward. Right? Parabola open rightward. You are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. 2y dy by dx equal to 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, which implies dy by dx equal to 2 by y. This is your slope of the tangent to the curve, right? Slope of the tangent to the curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve, right? What it is? Equal to 2 by y. Here what it is given, you read the line equation is given to you. Am I right? Right. The line given, the line equation of line is what? Y is equal to x plus 1. What it represents in the previous sum I discussed. What it represents, children? Anyone? Yeah, very good. It is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to is of the form is of the form y equal to mx plus c. Here, what is slope of the line? Slope of the line equal to coefficient of x, right? What is the coefficient of x here? 1. What is the coefficient of x? 1. Now, the line, see what I am going to write. You have to listen carefully, children. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve, tangent to the curve, tangent to the curve. That means if the slope, if the slope of the line, slope of the line is equal to slope of the line is equal to slope of the tangent. Slope of the line is equal to slope of the line. Okay. That means what it represents, the line must intersect the curve. That is the meaning, right? Slope of the line is equal to slope of the tangent. Sorry, slope of the tangent, right? T-A-N, slope of the tangent. That means what? It intersect, the line must intersect the curve. Also, the line intersect the curve. Intersect the curve means we can find the value of x and y, that is coordinate of x and y. Intersect the curve. You people said the slopes are equal. Already we found the slope as 2 by y. Here the slope is 1. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 2. Substitute y is equal to 2 in curve equation only, always, right? In curve equation, what it is? Y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x. So 4 equal to 4x. Then what is your x? X is equal to 1. What y is equal to 2. So what is the coordinate? 1, comma 2. Which option is correct? Option A is correct, right? The point is 1, comma 2 we found, right? The point is 1, comma 2. Therefore, option A is correct. I hope you people understood, right? Only one question is there that I want to do in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.